This video I'm going to be doing a very simple demonstration for absolutely beautiful, easy elegance with flowers. So I started here with a little copper pot and some chicken wire, which I cut to fit the top of the pot. Then I took some pear leaves for foliage and some roses from my garden, and I just placed them in. With the pear leaves, I really liked having the little pear buds there just after flowers. They look so beautiful just dangling down there like that. The pear leaves are so glossy. That's my little dog Mavis there. And then I just went round using the chicken wire to support the various placements of the foliage and the flowers. I did the back different to the front because I do take photographs of my flowers, of my floral displays, because obviously I paint them, and so that gives me kind of two options for painting later. But of course, naturally, you can just do it whichever way you like. And there you have it. That was so simple. Anyone can do it. Looks absolutely stunning, and I hope you'll give it a go. In the meantime, if you'd like to ring the bell and subscribe and like my channel and leave some comments, and I'll be doing more of these videos and of course my painting videos. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.